I want to show you how to turn the water off at your meter and how to find your meter in case you have a plumbing emergency or you're working on your plumbing and the emergency stops don't work and you need to turn that meter off. It is the most important thing that you need to know about your plumbing system. So I'm going to grab a key off the truck. And we're going to go find the boss to see if she can give us a little bit of help. Oh, she's very busy looking. What you doing there, honey?
I am working on editing our cleanout video.
Oh, I was hoping you would help me with the video about water meter related issues.
Oh, you were you?
I was, because it is very important that people know how to get that turned off.
It is very important that people know how to do that. So let's get to it. Actually, before we get started, I want to give you a really good tip about cutting your water off at the meter before you go on vacation. It is so important that you do this. Just in case your toilet supply line, your ice maker line, your washing machine line was to blow apart while you were gone on vacation. If you've got your water cut off at the meter, you're not going to have to worry about this. You're also not going to have to worry about if you have a breakage in your yard flooding. So I cannot tell you how important it is to cut your water off at the meter. That way, when you go on vacation, you have a peace of mind. Hi, I see Joe has already got the meter key ready for us. I always like to take a pair of channel locks. Sometimes we need a screwdriver, so first thing we're gonna do is locate where the meter is, and it is so important that you know this before you have an emergency. This is one of the #1 things. If you have a water leak, you really need to know where your meter is so you can shut your water off at the meter. So let's show them where the blue lines are, honey. We are lucky because the county has just freshly painted these blue lines, but if you do not have these and you can't locate your meter, then call the county. They will be glad to come out and locate that for you. So once you find your blue line, get in line with it and walk straight towards your home. So we're going to walk this way, and we are very fortunate that we don't have other landscaping materials around our meter box. You know, sometimes there's rose bushes and lava rocks and things like that that cover up your meter box. So sometimes it's not as easy to find as these are. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this meter key down and throw these down here, and I'm going to put my gloves on because that is one of the #1 things that you should do, because there are black widow spiders in these meter boxes.
You don't like that?
No, I do not.
What else is in the meter box?
Occasionally you might find a copperhead in the box, so be very aware. So we're going to put the screwdriver right here in between the lid, and we're going to make some noise so they'll kind of run. We're going to open up the box, and we're going to find the curb stop, which is right here. And normally you would be able to take the meter key, but as you can see, it's not going to work. It should fit right here on top of this, and the original installer didn't put it in correctly for us to use the meter key. So what we're going to have to do is use a pair of channel locks, because the original installer put it on an angle. I want to talk about these holes right here. They need to line up just like this. This is how we turn it off. When these holes are lined up, they could actually put a lock. The county could put a lock in here if you haven't paid your water bill. So now the water is off. So honey, do you want to tell them a little bit about the red triangle?
Sure. It's very simple. If that triangle is spinning, then your home is using water. Something in your plumbing system is consuming water, and it's just that simple.
If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Water. This dial will be spinning. It could be spinning. It could be spinning. Oops. I'm sorry, that made me hit you in the head.